India, we have our sport-wheel pelicans. Now we go to Europe, we have Dalmatian pelicans, 5 of them. Okay, so these are the pelicans. Next up we go to Africa again. The lovely ladies in pink with their long legs. Our greater flamingos, everyone. Very nice, very good. Now to finish it off, we have our beautiful macaws from South America, coming from up there and there. There you have, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of birds. Give them a big round of applause. And with that, we've come to the end of the High Flyer show. Now, if you like